So today I'm behind the wheel of the 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser, and I'm going to showcase how to replace the battery in your key fob. So first off, grab your Toyota Land Cruiser key fob, flip it on its back side, the side that says Land Cruiser, and you're going to locate this little switch at the top. Now you're going to do exactly what the switch kind of alludes to with the little arrow and slide it to the right. And what that's going to do is release a manual key hidden inside the key fob. So slide this to the right and pull up on the key, and that releases the manual key. Next, what you're going to do is locate inside where that key came from, that little slot right in the middle. And what you're going to do is take the tip of the manual key, it's kind of what it's designed to do, and you're going to slide it in that slot like that. And your preference, you can flip it up or down, but basically you're going to turn the key into two pieces. So just twisting upwards, really easy, and there you have the key falls into two pieces, and just gently pry them apart. Now you're going to have the button side that doesn't have anything under it. Just set that aside for the moment, and you're going to see the side that has the little circuit board inside, which is basically all four buttons. And if you flip it into your hand, it should kind of fall out like it did, and that reveals the battery on the back side. So this has a Panasonic CR2032 battery, and what you're going to do is you can either take that key, slide it right behind the battery and pop it out, but I do not need to because this is a fresh, clean battery. I just want to show you how to replace it. So pretend that you pulled the battery out, put your new battery in, and then you're just going to basically do the reverse of what I just showed you. So put the circuit board back in its slot, grab the other half of the key, you're going to gently snap it back together. You're going to hear just a bunch of gentle plastic pops, and that's when you know you're actually doing it correctly. There you go. Basically all four corners. And then when you're at this step, slide the manual key back in and you're good to go. You will not need to code the key to the car because all you're doing is swapping out the battery. The vehicle will remember. But I hope this helped you replace the battery in your Toyota Land Cruiser key fob. Thanks for watching.